Hello friends, today we will solve Geeks for Geeks problem difficulty level school. So today's problem is power of odd numbers. So now open this question. Given a single integer and your task is to find the sum of the squares of the first n odd natural numbers. So now see first example, n equals to 2. So first n odd numbers square, so 1 square plus 3 square equals to 10. Now see second example, n equals to 3. So 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square, which answer is 35. Now we write the code for this problem. So first we will make 2 variable, 3 variable, long sum equals to 0, where we initialize the sum of squares odd natural number, and I equals to 0, which is for loop, and odd equals to 1. Now we use while loop. So while I less than n, then here we find the sum equals to odd multiplied by odd, which is for square. Now we increase the value of odd by 2. So odd plus equals to 2. Now we increase the value of I plus plus. At the end we will return the final sum. So return sum. So now compile and run. So the code is successfully compiled and run. Now check all test cases. So submit this code. So all the test cases are successfully passed. So thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe the channel and press bell icon. Thank you.